Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm going to do a tutorial today as promised. I would like to show you guys how I created these little crinkly flowers made of crepe paper. So I shared this with you guys a couple of days ago. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to need is your die cutting machine, because I did use a die to create the shape of the flower. And I used my White Lotus flower. Used this one. You don't need any design or anything, you just want this shape. Okay, and this one's a 6-petal flower. You can try 5-petal flower if that's what you have, but I'm sure you have some kind of flower die at home. So this measures about 1.5 inch in diameter, so that's what you want to do. Okay, you also need some crepe paper, and I think a lot of us have crepe paper because you can just about buy this anywhere, any party store. The Dollar Tree has it, 99 cents. I think Only Store also has it, but you can pretty much find it anywhere, even at the grocery store, I think. So what you want to do first is, since you're using a 1.5 inch, for me it's easier if I put my layers around this. I'm going to actually show you. This is how I've done it. So since this is about 1.5, I just cut a piece of scrap paper that's about a little bit over one. It's like 1.25 inch wide. So that way it's easier for me to do my layers. So what I do is I just go put this on top, right? And then I'm just gonna go around. So I have 1, 2 layers, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want at least about 10, even 11 is fine. Something like that. Okay, so about 11 layers. Depends, if you want to make it really fluffy, you can do more than 10. This is about 11. So, and then just take this off, okay? And that way I have it this way. And, it's just easier for me. This is how I do it. You don't have to do it this way, but since I'm doing a tutorial, that's how I did it. Okay, so then you want to, of course, place your die over. Okay, and I'm using a precision base plate here, but you don't have to, as long as you can just cut through that and just let it go ahead and pass it through once. Hold on one sec, let me move my basket. Move it through once. Okay. Ooh. Things are falling. Okay, sorry guys, I have a lot of stuff on my desk right now. I'm just kind of set it aside. Okay, and then, whoops, it should have cut all the way through, and then you're just going to remove that. Okay, and it's going to look like that. Okay, and then you want to just poke a little hole in the middle. You can just use, one of your pokey tools. I just like to use my little hole punch. This one right here. I think it's a Euro punch. And you just want to poke a small hole in the middle, because what you want to do now is put your brad through there. So let me just remove my little machine here so we have more room. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that you have your flower, all you want to do is to pick a brad. Now the one I used for my flowers here is just a teeny tiny brad, which are these here, and I don't even remember exactly where I got this. I don't know if it was from the expo, if it was gifted to me, but it was just in my stash, and they're really teeny tiny. You can use any one. This one's from Hobby Lobby spare parts. They do have tiny ones at Hobby Lobby, so if you don't have brads, you can go ahead and get them there. Okay, so just put your bread in there, and then that will kind of hold everything together. And then basically what you want to do is to just separate the layers. Okay, and like I said, there's about 11, I think, layers there. So it's basically going to come out like a tissue flower, I guess, like tissue paper flower. And all I do is just kind of crinkle it along the way as I'm separating each layer. So this is the tedious part, but once you get going, you can do this while you're like watching videos or you know, watching TV. Well, it takes a couple of minutes to just do it, so you just keep going. I mean, it's that easy, you guys. And then after this, I'll share with you guys what I've done with the little flowers that I created. And this is just a cute little embellishment that you can make and use on your projects. You can gift, and you can make it in different colors. And we all have, I'm sure, if you're a crafter, if you're a mom who throws parties for your kids, you guys have streamers. And like I said, they're not hard to find, and they're very inexpensive. And you can pretty much create a bunch of these. So at Michael's, they now sell the bigger sheets of crepe paper. So you could even make your flowers bigger if you have that crepe paper. I don't have, I just have the streamers, so that's all I have. And I tend to make things small anyway, because I like small flowers, because it just, you know, it's easier to put on my projects. So there, that's about it. I think I've pretty much fluffed it out. And you know, you can open the middle here if you want your little brad to show, or if you don't, then you don't have to. You could also stagger them, you know, the petals if you want. So like if you want the petals to, like the top layer to like stagger, you can do that. It's up to you. I'm just showing you how I did it, and I just wanted like a really quick and easy project. So there it is. So I hope you give it a try. Now let me show you guys what I've done with the little flowers that I created. And I just made some toppers. So there's a few toppers here. I'll share them all with you. Some of them don't have the flowers, but this one here I just used a die cut and washi. I'm trying to get into the habit of just using my washi tape when I create packaging. Here's another washi, and so this one is, I think I got this one's from Hobby Lobby. This one I got, I believe it's from the $2 bins at Joann's, and it came in a 2-pack. Well, one was like this and one is a plain one, I think. I can't remember. Oh no, it was a sky. Clouds. They were clouds. So there's that one, and then these are the felt stickers from Michael's. Now here's one that I created and put one of my little flowers. See how cute that is? And it's a cute little topper that you can just put to package your treats. And this one says Happy Easter on it. I used one of my ribbons that says Happy Easter. That one was from the Dollar Tree. Really cute. Here's another one. I just made a bow, you know, from the Lawn Fawn set that I just recently purchased. And I don't remember where I got this particular washi, but I don't know, maybe somebody gifted it to me. Here's another one with a purple flower. Look how cute. See how easy. I just put a bunch of washi tape and one ribbon right there. Again, it says Happy Easter. Here's another one that I created. This one, I meant to put the ribbon on the bottom. I don't know why I did it this way, but this was the ribbon that I got from Michael's, those stitched ribbon. Again, another crinkle flower. I love this washi from Michael's as well. And this one I think is from Daiso, I think. And then my daughter made this one with some Daiso washi as well. And she even put Queen & Company bling, not bling, but these pearl, flatback pearls. So anyway, these are my toppers, my Easter toppers. I hope you guys like them, and I hope you give it a try and make some of these fun and easy, super easy crinkly flowers. All right, so I'm even thinking of like maybe putting them back to back, and look how cute. You have like a little poofed flower. You know, you can make a little pop out of this, so I think I might just do that. Stick it in a TN, not a TN, a loaded bag, right? Loaded pocket. You can just put a stick in between, and look how cute that would be. Like a little pom-pom. If you have like those die cut bunnies, you can use this for a little fluffy tail for a bunny. So just some ideas, just giving you guys ideas on what you can do with these cute little crepe paper flowers. All right, so that's my share for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of my tutorial, and let me know if you guys try this and if you like it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.